Good morning, RC Heli guy here. Just out again in the morning, having a little practice flight. So I've just got to put my headpiece on. For some reason I've had to turn it on because my little handheld device isn't working this morning. So just got to put my hat on quickly, if you don't mind bearing with me. There we go, we're on. So let's get this up in the air. Let's have a little fly around. So I've been out this morning with it, doing a trim flight, just to try and get it to hover in sort of one place. We're pretty much there with that, which is good. That's totally hands-free. A little bit of a drift to be expected in stability mode, nothing major though, can work with that. So yeah, still in stability mode. Giving it a couple of little bumps there. Purely a confidence thing, flying these, to be fair. It is practice, but then it just comes with confidence as well to want to fly a little bit further, a little bit faster. That's how I'm feeling. I mean, I don't fly this thing full speed anyway. Not yet. I've got to be careful because there's dog walkers about with their kids. It is early in the morning. I try and come as early as I can, so I'm not in anyone's way. Practice a bit of face hovering. Put that over here. Still a little bit twitchy. But this is a massive improvement for me as it is, being able to do this. One thing I will say about these, in stability mode, I've set the gyros up. I've got everything central, and it drifted massively to the left. Like, you could fly it, but you'd have to keep correcting it all the time. So I've done one of these trim flights, and now the helicopter, you can probably see, if I get it in front of me, it just doesn't sit flat, but it does hover. It's weird. So I think that's just the stability system trying to level it out all the time and keep it in one place. It must be. It is a bit weird. Fingers crossed it shouldn't be too long before I start doing the old 3D and stuff. Now I have to start all over again, but I'll understand and be responsive with the orientations. That's why I've gone on to, well, that's why I continue doing what I do in stability mode, so I'm fully confident with all the orientations and I understand it all, and it's natural to me to want to go, you know, when it's facing forwards the opposing way, etc., and all that sort of stuff. And then when I go into 3D, I know I've got to start again, hovering, getting it off the floor, and sticking with that for ages. A little figure of eights, forward flights, backwards. I know I'm going to have to do all of that. I have tried this in stability mode, 3D mode. I couldn't even get it off the floor.
30 seconds.
Alright, that's my 30-second timer, so we'll just bring it in for a little land. Oh.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
There we go.
11,
I always do it very, very slowly
9,
when I shut off, and then that,
6,
when I shut it off, will stop the heli from whipping round its tail. If you do it really slowly, if you do it fast, it just shuts its power instantly and it wants to spin round. So I don't do that. I do it really slow and it stops it spinning round. That's one thing I have found out, which is pretty good. So yeah, RC Heli Guy. Please subscribe if you like my channel and you want to watch more, see my journey. There'll be many more videos to come. So yeah, thank you. Till the next video. Cheers.